Is it going? Come on. Do it. Yes, there it is. This is the Max Lens Mod on GoPro 9 using as a webcam. What do you think? Oh. Huh? Remember this Missy Elliott video or Will Smith? Ah. Incredible fish eye. This is just woo. Oh. Yeah, that's what it is. Wow. Wow. Insane. And there you have it, folks. Max Lens Mod in GoPro 9 using as a webcam. Very strange. If I wait. Now from this angle it's pretty good. If you go. Okay, resolution is still nice. The fish eye thing, which is around there, it's just insane. There we have it, folks. Thanks for watching and goodbye. Quick video. How do I end this?